I didn't get like that. What up, y'all? Back up in here with another one of them things, man. This is the day after. Just the next day, the next morning, man. After the I was out there and hollering my dog with the cutlets, man. So yeah, we back at the house, and I know y'all was saying the other day. Well, no. First, let me stop. Good morning. How y'all doing? Welcome. New subscribers. New people viewing. Welcome. Glad y'all here. Thank y'all for the support. I hope that you stay. I hope that you find my content entertaining enough to share with somebody else, and stay around here and kick it for a while. So today, man, I might get out in traffic, but probably not. As y'all can see, or as y'all seen the other day, when I was trying to put the car in here, I have accumulated a lot of stuff, like a whole bunch of stuff, new stuff. Well, I ain't even gonna say new stuff, just stuff. You got all this stuff right here. All this stuff over there is stuff from, I said I was gonna build my shelves over here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? And put all my aerosols and oils and sprays and all that stuff up there. So that's what all this stuff over there is. This spare tire, I had that on the car when I took it to the shop down there. But then you got stuff over here that we ain't even using, and it's just taking up space. On top of that, we got stuff over here on the side of the car that we ain't using yet. That's just taking up space. You know what I'm saying? So what we about to do today is, man, we about to go on ahead and get these cars moved around. I got a spur over there that that's for the Firebird. And it need a valve stem pin. It need a valve stem. The whatever you called it on the inside in there, it's bad. It's coming out. So need one of those in that valve stem. That's why this doesn't hold air. This table, I'm gonna put it back on the back in the patio area. The car wash stuff, this bucket and stuff that'll stay. I'm gonna keep one of the chairs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that step ladder. I might keep that too. But like all this stuff right there, like all this stuff got to go. Like it got to go outside. I mean, it got to go back to the storage, man, cause I can't keep it in here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no room to move. So we about to do that, man. I'm gonna leave my vacuum cleaner up here cause I be vacuuming stuff and washing the cars and all that good stuff. So yeah. So finna go on ahead, get these cars moved around. So we can get this stuff out of here, man. Get this garage cleaned up. Yeah. So y'all know I got the tripod here, so I might set it up. And you know what? I might charge up my GoPro. And do a time lapse of all this crap, man. This is crazy. Might do a time lapse or something. I ain't sure. But yeah, we'll see in a minute. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member. of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't It Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't It Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. All right, so now y'all can pretty much see what I mean when I got a lot of crap in here. A lot of stuff. So, I'm finna move. I need to get her in here to see what she want me to do with all this stuff. A lot of this stuff over there. All this stuff go in the car, so I probably won't be taking too much of this stuff out of here, but I am. So I'm not gonna take too much, but I'm gonna take too much. Yeah, I get what I'm saying. So stuff gonna be moved around. Like I said, my sitting chairs, I'm gonna keep them here. I probably put them back here in the corner or something, so that way they won't be in the way. Oil dry, keep my oil dry, all that old good stuff. Just in case I need it. But yeah, those T-tops, I'm not sure what I want to do with those other ones over there, because the glass good, but I don't know if anybody restores those, so I don't really know how I want to do that. This is a paper towel dispenser. I want to put this somewhere in here. I gotta find some studs in here so I can hang that. So when I'm here when I'm out here doing stuff or washing my hands or whatever, I can go grab the paper towels, boom, 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 boom. That, yeah. So let me go ahead and get started with this here cleanup, because yeah, I need to. I need some space in here. So I can my maneuverability won't be limited. So yeah, we go ahead and do this. Yeah, do y'all want to see a time lapse of this? Y'all want to see a time lapse of me cleaning out the garage, bro? Like, for real? I don't know. But if y'all do, I guess. But let me set y'all up for the time lapse, man, and then I'm finna get to it. So, yeah. Man, in the midst of cleaning out the garage, Pops pulled up because I needed a new plug right there, man, because the plug it went bad on me and I couldn't get my garage up, or my what's called right here won't work for my garage, my gas station lights. So I did that, and we added my other light, and now this one, I ain't even fully working. Look at that, got a whole space right there missing. So I'm probably change that out, but I don't know why that ain't working. I don't know why that ain't, see it's just blinking, but it ain't coming on. So maybe it needs to, I don't know. But we got some more gas station lights in here, man. So yeah, we good with that. This little dude. But yeah, so now let me get back to cleaning. Turn the music back on, put my time lapse on, clean all this stuff out. And since he out here, I ought to put in work. I'm gonna get all this stuff out, put it in the storage, and yeah. That's how we finna do it. Alright, y'all. So, we got that cleared out. Got that over there looking neat. The rest of this stuff really mine. So, the console, I'm probably put that back up there where it was, cause I really can't do nothing with anything up there until I get my shelves and stuff built. It's cool. I'm gonna keep it cause it's still good. So that'll be if I wanna do something in here, have some cold drinks or something in here. Throw some ice in there, cold beer, cold alcohol. Y'all know how we get down. You know what I'm saying? Put them in that cooler right in the styrofoam. Like I said, the table going back in the back. Everything over there smooth and out of her way. So when she park, she ain't gotta worry about nothing. Shit, she can damn near, if I put this up here, she can damn near get out and go around this way and go in the house. Now, cause she ain't gonna pull up this far anyway. My air jack, I put that over there somewhere. I gotta move my compressor, so I ain't took it out the box yet, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Clean up that little stuff right there, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it though. I didn't have a whole lot to clean up, but yeah, look better already. I hate that my light is out right there, man. Like, I really hate it, but it is what it is. We'll change them out whenever. The whole light gotta go out for me to change it. I ain't finna mess with it. I ain't lying. I'm gonna be real with y'all. But yeah, this is what we got, man. Shit, I could put the air jack over there and just leave it right there. It ain't like, you know what I'm saying? But I'll move it though. Ain't gonna be nothing to move. That boy turbo sound no, boy. Like an old F-250. Hear that whistling on that thing. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna probably put these cars back in here in a minute. I guess I need to take my helmet off her side, cause I need to take all my stuff off her side, cause this is her side. Her shelf. I don't know. Fix all this stuff. I need to get some other things to hang. I gotta look at some stuff. Get some more things that hang up stuff, cause they kind of look tacky like that. But I'm definitely gonna take. I think I'm gonna take them cabinets down. I'm taking everything out of here to you know what I'm saying, so I can paint the whole garage, get this popcorn off the ceiling, or I might get another light fixture, make it look good in here. I wish, and don't. I ain't gonna rule it out now, but them honeycomb lights will look real good in here. What y'all think? Oh, Memphis Black calling me. I'll call him back in a second once I get done recording. But yeah, yeah, them honeycomb lights won't look bad, man. And it's just, you know what I'm saying? Well, I can get them all the way. You know what I'm saying? But they only gonna show like when the door down, really. These up here show, but when the door down, it'll show better. Might better be coming down the street calling me like that. But yeah. So let me go and finish up. Got some sandbags though. Let me go and finish up what I'm doing with this here. And yeah. I'll hit y'all in a second, man. Finish up everything. I'll wrap up, put everything back in the storage where it go. Fold these cords up and all that good stuff. Yeah. See y'all in a second, man. What do you know? The rest of the light came on. I don't know, I guess it needed to warm up or something. I don't know, but it was at her blinking for a little while. I'm like, damn, now it's at her blinking. I know I gotta change it now. And then it just stopped. It lit up and just stopped. So I guess it just needed to I don't know. I don't know what it need to do. But anyway, yeah, so this is where we at, man. We clean now. Clean as it's gonna get for right now. I don't know what you wanna do with this rug, probably gonna throw it away. But yeah. I'm gonna put these cars, put MayRose back up in here. And that's gonna be it, man. That's gonna be it, dog. I ain't gonna do nothing else. I'm cool with this right here. This is it. This is it right here. See. I wanted that. Nah. Yeah, this is it right here. Yep. I wonder why do I be doing it? Well, nah, cause I need this space. I need that car to be over a little bit, so I can have some space when I get out. But yeah, this where we at, dog. This is gonna do it for me, cause I ain't gonna say I'm tired, but I don't wanna do no more. So this is it. I was gonna wash the car, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Need to, but probably not. But yeah. I need y'all to stay tuned though. Be looking for the next video after this one, man, because I'm about to go and do something. One of my partners finna do something for me, man. And I gotta do a little driving to get there. So it's gonna be a little mini road trip. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, one of my guys, man, he looked out for me, man. You know, he looked out for me. I can't do nothing but take it as a blessing. And man, I really appreciate him. You know what I'm saying? Before we even show the video, I'm gonna tell you, man, I really appreciate him because he ain't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? But he was like, man, I want to see you come up with this, you know what I'm saying, with what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? This right here will help you. You know what I'm saying? Will help you with that. So that's what we about to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one off with it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. Yeah, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Catch y'all in the next one.